To get a better sense of how operator precedence works, let's take a look at some code. We have a simple program here with 4 variables declared at the top. What we want to do is kind of set up some math operations and see how the order of precedence affects the result we get. So let's go ahead and declare an integer for a result. So let's call that result 1. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the variable val a, and then I'm going to go ahead and subtract val b from it, and then I'll divide that by val c. Let's just go here and just duplicate that now. So I have another one just like it. Call this one result 2. And all I'm going to do is put a set of parentheses in. Put a set of parentheses around val a and val b here. All right, we have this parentheses in place. So the last thing I want to do is just go ahead and print these guys out. All right, so let's go ahead and run it. And as we run it, we see that we get 2 very different results. Right, the first one, result 1, gives us a value of 19. The second one, result 2, gives us a value of 5. Right, what's happening there? All right, well, in the first line where we set result 1, remember that multiplicative operations take precedence over additive operations, right? So division is a multiplicative operation. So basically, value b, which is 6, was divided by value c, which is 3, which gave us a result of 2. So then we subtracted that 2 from value a, which is 21, giving us 19. The second one, result 2, because of the parentheses, we overrode that normal order of operations. As a result, we first subtracted 6 from 21, which gave us 15, and then we divided that by 3, which gave us a result 5. Right, so we overrode that normal order of operations by adding parentheses. So let's look at another case here. We'll go in and set up another equation. We'll set up a result 3 here. And for result 3, what we'll do is we'll set value a. We'll divide that by value c. Then we will multiply that times value d. And then finally add in value b. So that sets up 1. So let's go ahead and copy this now. And we'll duplicate it, but then we'll modify it a little bit. So we'll call a result here result 4. We'll use some parentheses. So first thing I'll do is put parentheses around this addition here, value d and value b. And then what I'll do is I'll put another set around value c and the result of value d plus value b. So I've now got nested parentheses. All right, so with that in place now, what I want to do is let's go ahead and print these guys out as well. Okay, we're all set there. Let's go ahead and run it. And notice again, we get very different results. Right? For the result 3, we get 13. For result 4, we get the number 1. Well, what's different? Or again, remember that multiplicative operations come ahead of additive. And then when 2 operations are on the same precedence, they're left to right. So on a result 3, the first thing that happens is value a is divided by value c. And value a has a value of 21. Value c has a value of 3. So that gives us a value of 7. Then that's multiplied by value d, which has a value of 1, so that's still 7. And then we add in value b, which has a value of 6. And that gives us 13. But then on result 4, because of the parentheses, we're changing that order of operations. Right? So when we have nested parentheses, we go into the innermost one. So first we get value d plus value b. Right? So value d is 1, value b is 6, so 1 plus 6 is 7. We multiply that times value c, which is 3, which is 21. And then we divide value a, which is 21, by 21, giving us a result of 1.